gonna start a video about Play-Doh versus kinetic sand. I'm gonna start with the Play-Doh. So, yeah. So first I'm gonna make a square. So here's the square. You guys cannot see it well. Here it is. Now I'm gonna do a circle. A circle on the Play-Doh top. First, let me try to make it good. Okay, so here's the circle. Now I'm gonna make a happy face. Yeah. First, let me make the little eyeballs. Here's the little eyeball. Here's the second eyeball. So then, here it is. Here it is. So now I'm gonna start doing the kinetic sand. So here it is. As you see, this, I made it with this. Yeah. So, as you see, I could carry it. Just letting you know, kinetic sand can never make a mess and it can never dry. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So, I'm gonna try to make a square. I'm so bad at making squares. Like, really bad. But I try my best. Here it is. So yeah, kind of did bad on the top. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you put a thumbs up. Comment down below on which one you like, the Play-Doh or the kinetic sand. Mine is the kinetic sand because like I really never played Play-Doh before. Bye guys. Hit the bell and hit the subscribe button. Bye.